Welcome to Learning English with Leanne, Help with Writing. This short video will help you to write about your friend and their family with short paragraphs. This video is for pre-intermediate Certificate 1 English students. Write about your friend. What to write? In a short paragraph, write sentences for number 1, your friend's name and how old they are. 2, where they live and what country they are from. 3, what they like to do in their free time. Here's an example for you. Sentence number 1, your friend's name and age. My friend's name is Aziz and she is 12 years old. Sentence 2, where they live and what country they are from. She lives in Sherwood Park and she is from Egypt. Sentence number 3, what they like to do in their free time. She likes to listen to music and go to dance classes in her free time. You can write a second paragraph about your friend's family. What to write? In a short paragraph, write sentences for 1, how many brothers and sisters your friend has. 2, what they do or they work or study and how old are they. 3, what they like to do in their free time. Here's an example for you. Aziz has 2 older sisters and 1 younger brother. Sentence 1 is how many brothers and sisters. 2, what they do and how old they are. Her sisters are 14 and 16 years old and go to high school. 3 is about her brother and what he does and how old he is. Her brother is 8 and goes to primary school. Now the next 2 sentences are what they like to do. Her sisters like to read books and watch movies. Her brother plays football on the weekends. So now if we look at our writing and put our 2 paragraphs together, you can see that we have one nice long piece of writing. So our first paragraph was about our friend, and then we wrote a second paragraph about our friend's brothers and sisters. When we add the 2 together, we have a nice long piece of writing. Now it's your turn. Practice writing about one of your friends and their family. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.